All right, this video is for all of my realtor friends and those of you that are about to buy your first home that has a septic system on it, whether it be an aerobic system or a traditional ladder line field. If there is a tank in the ground, let me just put it this way, it needs to be pumped. It needs to be part of the negotiation when you're buying a house. I don't care if the tank got pumped out 6 weeks ago, a year ago, 9 weeks ago. There is no way for anybody to inspect that tank properly before you purchase the home without pumping the tank out. And you should want to pay somebody to pump every chamber in the case of an aerobic, or singular tank in the case of a ladder line field or a lagoon. There should be at least 1,000-gallon tank in most cases in the ground that needs to be completely sucked clean so that you can physically inspect the tank to make sure that it's not cracked or damaged on the inside, which would be a whole nother negotiation piece if you were buying the house. Or if you enjoy getting stuck with a bill of $3, $5, $7, $10,000 or more, feel free to not spend the money to have the tank sucked out and then just suffer the consequences from not having it inspected properly because it wasn't evacuated properly. So what you need to do is get the tank sucked out. If it is up to Bobby, there would be a law in every state that when a house sells or in the process of the sale and you're under contract, that this is the process that takes place every time. And somebody that is a licensed septic installer from that state, county, however, where you live, deals with that, comes and actually does the inspection, not somebody that went to a weekend course. So take these tips for what they're worth. I promise you, it's going to save somebody out there thousands of dollars.